Hi guys, Paweł here, welcome to another quick video. Today I would like to show you how we can easily send photos from iPhone to MacBook and also from MacBook to iPhone. You can use this method to send other items like files, documents, anything really. The only prerequisite is that both devices, both iPhone and MacBook needs to be, the Bluetooth needs to be switched on, and also they need to be connected to Wi-Fi. So let me quickly take a picture. So now I'm in the Photos folder and I'm tapping this share button on the left, share icon on the left lower corner of the iPhone, and then as you can see I can scroll left and right. Let's say I want to send 3 photos all together, and you know that area here just below the pictures, it's called AirDrop, and as you can see my MacBook Pro has been detected. So all I have to do is to tap here and as you can see all these photos have been sent. I can open them. Great. So now how to send something back. I'm going to Finder and I'm looking for a picture I want to send. So let's say that looks quite nice. So I'm dragging it to the AirDrop. And now my iPhone has been detected. So all I have to do is to drop it there. And as you can see, the photo is on my iPhone already. So I hope you have found it useful. Please let me know in the comments below if you've got any questions regarding this topic, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye bye.